Alright, let's add a plane. And we're going to go into the edge menu. So let's Control E and subdivide. Let's do, that'll work. And we'll just extrude these two up, right? Now let's hit Control E and let's bridge edge loops. Okay, so it's bridged them, and I'm not sure where this one sits by default. I can't remember. I think it's open loop. That looks right. Alright, so we want a handful of cuts. So right here at number of cuts, as we add them, we start to get an arc. And I'm not sure. Alright, so this is probably more similar to what we would have right here. I think that's the default. And we're going to add a few cuts. Alright, and then we can add to the profile factor, right? That's going to change the profile. First, let's leave that alone. Let's adjust the smoothness. So now that's going to arc it, or determine the smoothness of the blend from one connected point to the next. There. Now we can twist. We can get some neat effects. Right? You know, sometimes it doesn't look like it's twisted, but it is. Alright, that's nothing. That's cool. I like that. Now, I don't know if these examples, anything changes here and it doesn't look like it. But the other thing that this does is, and we got to remember we have a twist on. Let's add a cube. And let's subdivide. So we'll hit Control E and we'll subdivide. Let's take this. So these two, we've got a selection made. And we'll hit Control E and bridge edge loops. Now, it's got some funky shading because we have twists. Alright. So if it looks like a garbage pile in there, check your twists.